Hey, Kimberly Thibodeau here. I'm here in my courtyard and I wanted to make you this quick video where I'm going to reveal the 5 biggest procrastination hacks for your online business. Then I'm going to reveal the key elements to online success after these 5 productivity hacks. I guarantee if you actually follow through with these hacks, it will change your life for the better, free up time, free up energy, and create better results in many aspects of your life. And when you learn to take more action, you'll start to see results. So, let's go through those hacks now. Number 1, work where the creative juices flow. If you're struggling in a certain space and creating negative energy around that space, it can really help to get outside, or work somewhere else if possible. When we're struggling in one spot too long, we start to subconsciously attach negativity to the things in those surroundings. This is why it helps to change our workspace from time to time, and nature, bugs and all, is best. Tackle the harder or more complicated task first. When we leave the harder jobs until last, we often create an anxiety about those jobs the longer we leave them. This is an energy draining state and will make you see those tasks as more complicated and harder to start than they really actually are. Getting your harder jobs done first is a great way to free up your energy for the rest of the day. You'll often find that once you actually start the job, you will get on a roll and it will be much easier than you think. Number 3, clear your work desk of clutter. When we have clutter around us, it can create a cluttered mind. The simple act of a very clean, not cluttered environment can enable you to think clearer, thus creating more focus for that task at hand. Number 4, don't multitask. As entrepreneurs, we usually are very creative and love to start new projects. Many also seem to think that trying to do loads of things at once means we're getting a lot done, when in actual fact, we end up spreading ourselves too thin and not giving all and our focus to any one of the projects or tasks. Don't multitask. Focus on one job at a time and you'll become a completer. You'll also get so much more done. Number 5, knowledge and continued education. This is the most important hack of them all. Procrastination and overwhelm are bred from what? Can you guess? Misinformation and confusion. In other words, not knowing the proven strategy to focus on and work on. I'll bet you can relate to that, right? Well, that proven strategy for online marketers is really, on the face of it, quite simple. Targeted traffic plus high converting web pages equals commissions and sales in your bank account. The more traffic you can get and the higher your conversions, the better. But if you watched my first free video, you'll know that you need to have a specific set of elements in place to make the conversions part work. So, what are those elements again? Number 1, squeeze page to collect leads. 2, front-end offer to turn leads into customers. 3, an upsell to maximize return on investment. 4, a recurring income offer to compound profits. And 5, a high-ticket big back-end offer. Once you can get traffic and send it to that conversion process of high-converting offers, set out in the right way, of course, you'll find it hard not to turn a profit online.